And may the God bless us all. Thank you.
Alright, so thank you so much once again, Mr. Robert Macau, 4th District Coordinator, Office of the Vice Governor. And sir, please extend our heartfelt thanks to our Vice Governor, Honorable Christine Curry. And this time, may I invite our Municipal Mayor to please join us here on stage and to give the certificate of appreciation to who will be this year's champion for the Padayao. Hopon Tiraho, or will it be Hopon Camponero, or will it be Hopon Mamomogon, or will it be Hopon Moscovado, or will it be Hopon Sakada? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we will announce first the winners for our minor awards. So our minor awards are the best in performance, best in choreography, best in music, best in costume and props, and the best in street dancing. And each winner will receive a 10,000 pesos cash. Alright. And before I announce the winners for the minor awards, I would like to acknowledge, of course, our official tabulators. We have the OIC accountant of the Municipality of San Enrique, Sir Edwin Valencia, together with Sir Jomar Italia. Jomar Italia, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. Okay. The first minor award is the best in performance. We would like to request our municipal officials to please be here on stage and please assist in giving the awards to our winners. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Iloilo, Municipality of San Enrique. One history, one journey, one San Enrique. Certificate of recognition for San Enrique Iloilo. Signed Dr. Senji Patubo, Overall Chairman, Palawan Festival 2024, and signed the Honorable Rosario Philippines Fernandez, Municipal Mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, the best in performance is Hubara! We have Hubara Masturado! From Vicente Aguilar National High School. We would like to request their side manager, Honorable Eduardo Caballero, the Punong Barangay of Barangay Abaca. And we would like also to invite on stage Ma'am Ani Domingo, School Head of Vicente Aguilar National High School. And we would like also to request the Punong Barangays on the cluster of Hobon Moscovado, Punong Barangay from Barangay Dakal, Punong Barangay from Barangay Pinulpan, Punong Barangay from Barangay Dominguez, and Punong Barangay from Barangay Asasi to please join our guests here on stage and receiving the award for the best in performance. Once again, we have the Hobon Moscovado of Barangay Abaca of Vicente Aguilar National High School, Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo. And we would like also to congratulate their cluster barangay. We have Barangay Dakal, Barangay Pinulpan, Barangay Dominguez, and Barangay Asisi. Once again, congratulations to Juan Moscovado, the best in performance. In choreography, the winner will receive again a 10,000 pesos cash and a certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, the best in choreography is Humor! We have Humor Moscovado from the Santa Clara National High School. Once again, we would like to request the tribe manager, Honorable Eduardo Caballero, and we would like also to request the Purong Barangays of the cluster barangay of Humor Moscovado, Purong Barangay from Barangay Dakal, Barangay Kinuypan, Barangay Dumilias, and Barangay Asising. And of course, we would like also to invite Ma'am Maria Ani Domingo, school head of Vicente Aguilar National High School. A 10,000 pesos cash and a certificate. Once again, our best in choreography, Juan Moscovado. The next honor award is the best in music. So who do you think has the best music among our 5 Hubuans? Once again, the winner will receive a 10,000 pesos cash and a certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, the best in music is Hubuan! We have Humor Moscovado of Vicente Aguilar National High School. Once again, requesting the child manager, Honorable Eduardo Caballero. And of course, we would like to invite the Purong Barangay of the cluster barangay of Humor Moscovado from Barangay Dakal, Barangay Kinuypan, Barangay Dumilias, and Barangay Asising. And of course, the school head of Vicente Aguilar National High School, Ma'am Maria Ani Domingo. Once again, congratulations to Juan Moscovado, the best in music. wonderful yell together with the Blue Barangays and the Pastor Barangay of Juan Escobedo, from Barangay Lapang, Barangay Kinolpan, Barangay Dumilis, and Barangay Asisi, and the school head of the Sante Aguilar National High School, Ma'am Mary Ani Edongbingo. Once again, congratulations to Juan Moscovado, the best in street dancing. And this time, we come now to the announcement of winners for our major awards. So our major awards for the second runner-up, who will receive a 20,000 pesos cash plus a plaque and trophy. And our first runner-up, a 13,000 pesos cash and a plaque and trophy. And the champion for the Padayao Dance Drama Competition will receive a 50,000 pesos cash, a plaque, and a trophy. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Iloilo, Municipality of San Enrique, one history, one journey, one San Enrique. Certificate of recognition is presented to, for being the second runner-up during the Padayao Dance Drama Competition in line with the celebration of the 67th Foundation Day and 7th Alumni Festival with the theme One History, One Journey, One San Enrique. Given this 14th day of July 2024 at San Enrique, Iloilo. Signed Dr. Sanjay Patubo, overall chairman of the Alumni Festival 2024. Signed Honorable Rosario Beatriz Fernandez, Municipal Mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up for the Padayao Dance Drama Competition is Humor! We have Humor Sakata of San Enrique National Comprehensive High School. We would like to invite the joint manager of Humor Sakata, the Honorable together with Principal of San Enrique National Comprehensive High School, Sir Ernesto Ardiente. And of course, we would like also to invite on stage the Puerto Barangays of the Cluster Barangay of Humor Sakata. We have from Ibang Bigenco, Kabuang Nuevo, Ines Repo, Pagka, and Lipa. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our second runner-up, we have the Hobon Sakada of San Enrique National Comprehensive High School. And they will receive a 20,000 pesos cash, a plaque, and a trophy. Next, our major award is the first runner-up. So who do you think is the first runner-up? Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up for the Padayao Dance Drama Competition is Humor! We have Humor Bienalo of the National High School. again, our first runner-up for the Palagao Dance Drama Competition, Bobon Birao, and they will receive a 30,000 pesos cash, a plaque, and a trophy. Before I announce the champion, ang Bani-Laban, you'll never know what will happen next. Okay? So who do you think will be this year's champion for the Palagao Dance Drama Competition? Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, the champion for the Palagao Dance Drama Competition of the Kalamay Festival 2024 is... We have... together with the school of the Secretary National High School, and of course, the Punang Barangays of the Cluster Barangay of Mabuhay, Mr. Mando from Barangay Dakal, Barangay Tulukan, Barangay Luminis, and Barangay Asisi. And of course, we would like also to commend the people behind Bobon Moscovado, their choreographers and their trainers. Congratulations. And they will be receiving a 50,000 pesos cash, a plaque, and a trophy. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this year's champion for the Palagao Dance Drama Competition of Palawan Festival 2024, Bobon Moscovado of the Vicente Aguilar National High School, together with their cluster barangay, Barangay Dakal, Barangay Tulukan, Barangay Luminis, and Barangay Asasi. Congratulations. And to all our boys, ladies and gentlemen, a job well done. All right. So everyone is celebrating their success. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite everyone tonight for the Southern Region's Got Talent. That is at 7 p.m. here at our municipal auditorium. Once again, to Bobon Moscovado, our champion, Bobon Birao, our first runner-up, and of course, Bobon Sabada, our second runner-up. And we would like also to say thanks to our municipal officials and assisting giving the awards to our winners. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that is our awarding ceremony. Once again, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, and hope to see you next year on the next dance drama competition of the Kalamay Festival Celebration. My name is Melvin, your host. Let us all enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.
Mga performers, halika mo anay magaling. Kasi nalipat ka mo may 500, pag mo wala. Congratulations to the winners. Job well done, no? To all who didn't win, it's not losing, no? But the experience and the friendship that we have gained. Everybody performed well. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let's settle down. Now, please form a line per table because we will release, okay? This table, Hubon Piraho, this table. The first table here, Hubon Piraho, form your line. This table, sorry, Sakada ulit, okay? Hubon Sakada. Sakada, first table, Sakada. Muscovado, second line, second table. Hubon Mamugon, this table. Hubon Piraho. Form your line here, Hubon Piraho. And the last table is Hubon Campanero. Yes, Hubon Piraho. Hubon Piraho, form your line.
Five, six, seven, go!
Thank you for watching mga kabarangay. Magandang hapon mula dito sa San Enrique.